Lord have mercy. Look at this mess. I cannot believe I went to bed last night with this mess in my kitchen. Oh my goodness. Day low. I was so tired from working outside yesterday. I just didn't have it in me. I was out, folks. I was out. There was nothing left. Why is it 5:55 on Saturday morning and I'm awake? Because I can't sleep for thinking about this. Let's not even talk about how nasty these floors are. Nothing to do but to do it. But first thing, I'm going to fix an ice cold Diet Pepsi. Go sit on the porch for a minute, and then I'm going to get started. Lord. Can't believe I did that.
Hi, welcome to our channel!
Now that that's done, let's go enjoy some of these roses that we planted yesterday. That was the whole point of planting all these roses, is so that I could pick a few and make some nice bouquets so that we could enjoy them inside. There's not a lot of blooms on them yet, but there's enough to make a little one. It's breakfast time this Saturday morning. I am making some pancakes and bacon for breakfast. It's a rainy morning. We have kind of a busy day today. Cooper has a track meet in the rain, yay! And then Shyla is having me a birthday party here at the house. She was going to have it at her house, but unfortunately her landlord passed away and she didn't want to take up the parking spots because they live right beside of them, and she didn't want to be disrespectful by taking up parking spaces in case they have family come over today. To drop Cooper off at the track meet at 9:30 this morning, but it didn't start till 11 a.m. so we decided to kill some time at the Tractor Supply in Walmart. The main reason we went to the Tractor Supply is me and Adlin have been wanting rabbits. We want to start a rabbit farm, just for pet rabbits, not meat rabbits. So we went to check out the prices so we know what we needed to get started. And then we went to Walmart. And of course, I had to go look at the flowers to check out the clearance. They didn't have really anything new marked down on clearance. However, He marked these down to $2 each for me. After that, we went to Roper's Market to pick out his mom's Mother's Day gift. We're going to try to get it sent to her before Mother's Day because she lives a few hours away. Then back to the track meet. This was kind of an all-day thing, and it rained. Shyla picked me up early from the track meet, and Erin stayed back with Cooper to finish watching him. She picked me up early because she was having me a birthday party at my house, so she needed to get in to be able to start cooking. Ooh, that looks yummy. Yummy. Oh my goodness, y'all. My daughter and my son-in-law prepared me the most amazing birthday meal. I feel so special, and it was absolutely delicious, and I really enjoyed our family time together. Shonda's sitting over here waiting for her food. She wants to be first. They're sitting in here waiting for their food. Bless the food. Shyla went around the table and had everyone tell their favorite memory of me. This was so special and very funny too. I bought these flowers with the money that my mom and sister gave me for my birthday. I got a really good deal on these flowers. I got all of these flowers for $45. The ones that were marked down to $2 were originally $7 each.
Bye. Have a fabulous day with sprinkles and rainbows.